June the 19th. Thank you for watching The Daily. I want to talk to you today about the law of difference. You know, people are paid exceptionally well for things that they do exceptionally well. Highly successful people are always focused on the area of their greatest strength. Let me tell you about an interview I saw on television a few years ago. It was during the Olympic Games. I think it was the Summer Olympic Games. And as usual, the Chinese ping pong team was an unshakable force. During the interview, they were talking to the team's coach, and the reporter said, "How do you work with your team members to help them overcome their individual weaknesses?" Surprisingly, the coach said, "We don't really work on our players' weaknesses. We focus so much on their strengths that their weaknesses just disappear." Focus on your strengths instead of your weaknesses. Focus on the infield instead of the wall. Remember that illustration a few days ago. Focus on the one or two things that make you unique, and forget about all those, or at least carefully limit all those things that make you just like everybody else. The biblical law of difference teaches us, and it's a biblical law that it is that thing which makes you different. It's not your similarity to another. It's your point of difference from another that can make you great. Just think about it. Why was Samson great? Samson was great because of his physical strength. His unparalleled strength made him different than all the other men. But his strength was the mechanism that God used to propel Samson to national prominence and to enable Samson to achieve his purpose in life. Why was Joseph great? Joseph was great because of his ability to interpret dreams. His unmatched ability to interpret dreams made him different from all the other men and brought him to the attention of Pharaoh, the king of Egypt. His ability to interpret dreams was the mechanism that God used to propel him to his lofty position of authority so he could save the fledgling nation of Israel from the great famine that swept the earth. That which makes you different is what will make you great. You might want to write that down. You might even want to post that or tweet it or something today. Or they don't even call it tweeting anymore, do they? Xing. I don't know what it is. Anyway, that which makes you great is that which makes you different is that which will make you great. So embrace it, use it. It's God's gift to you. Make sure you get my ebook on focus. It's available. Just click the link, go to the website, and I promise you, it's a real inexpensive investment that will bring great dividends to your future.